Okay, I'm replacing the headlamp in my 2012 Fiat 500 Pop. One failed last week, this one, and then last night this one failed and I was driving around with no headlamps. Not a good thing to do in North Idaho. I picked up these at the local O'Reilly's for a little bit over $50, period. Here's what you need to do. Reach back behind the headlamp assembly and be careful, this is a hot engine. Testing things, make sure I'm not going to get burnt. And this gadget here goes counterclockwise. Lefty-loosey. There, that's the thing that comes off the cap. Then, carefully reaching in here, ouch, okay, that was a little hot. You got it, ow, twist. Okay, we'll wait till that cools off. And switch over here, because this one was easier access. So, twist off the used headlamp, and then unplug it from this. Now I'm going to show you how to plug this back in with a new bulb. Okay, here's the new bulb. Remember, don't touch the actual glass part of it or it could damage it with the oils from your fingers. It's as simple as plugging this male part into this female part. Okay, apparently not with one hand. Just a minute, folks. Okay, there is a right and a wrong way to do it, but you'll figure that out. It's very simple. Now, this plugged-in bulb needs to go into a bulb holder located in here behind the headlamp assembly. All that was required was to insert the new bulb into the hole in the back of the lamp and give it a right or clockwise turn. Now we will put the cap on. Basically, you're doing this by feel. It should go on righty-tighty. Hopefully. Okay, there. Tighten it till it stops, and that one's done. Okay, now we're going to test it and see if it works. Okay, yes it does work. Hurrah! Yay, both headlamps work. Cost about $55 for the lamps. Probably could find them cheaper, but these are the best that I could find at O'Reilly.